Although the idea of humans harnessing photosynthesis to generate energy is an interesting concept, it is not currently scientifically feasible for several reasons. Photosynthesis is a complex process that occurs in plants, algae, and some bacteria, where they convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen. This process requires specialized organelles called chloroplasts, which humans do not possess. To maximize photosynthesis on human skin, a few theoretical scientific methods could be considered, although none have been proven or tested. 1. Genetic engineering. One approach could involve genetically modifying human cells to include chloroplasts or other photosynthetic machinery, but this would likely require significant changes to human cellular structures and metabolism, and would pose numerous ethical and safety concerns. 2. Symbiotic relationship. Another idea might be to establish a symbiotic relationship between humans and photosynthetic organisms, such as algae or bacteria. This could involve incorporating these organisms into the human body or designing wearable technology that houses photosynthetic organisms in close proximity to the skin. However, even if such a symbiotic relationship could be established, it is doubtful that the generated energy would be sufficient to sustain human life without any additional food intake. 3. Biohybrid materials. Researchers could explore creating biohybrid materials that incorporate photosynthetic organisms or their components. These materials could be worn on the skin or integrated into clothing, potentially converting sunlight into energy. Again, it is unlikely that this approach would generate enough energy to sustain human life without food intake. In summary, while the idea of humans deriving energy from photosynthesis is intriguing, it is not scientifically feasible with our current knowledge and technology. Additionally, the amount of energy generated would likely be insufficient to sustain human life without additional food intake.